Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are proceeding with objective that is definition document. What is PDD? This is the important document if you are working and looking for the RPA project management role. Okay, so here PDD document is the important one document which we are going to discuss in this today's video. Okay, so almost we have done most of the things related to RPA project development in previous videos. So if you are working, if you are looking, and if you want to learn something related to RPA project deployment management system, then you can go ahead with this series. This series is for you only if you are preparing interview for this job role as well. Okay, other than that, we have already covered some that RPS Scrum Master interview question and answers in other series. So you can go ahead and learn from that as well. Okay, if you are having still any question, doubts, just put it in the comment box. I would like to help you out. So this is Samiksha Desai, your Agile coach and mentor, who is really helping you to go through with your interview preparation, the question and answer, and crack the interviews. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what exactly PDD, and from now onwards we are going to cover in this what including this document and everything. Okay, so in business rules, what exactly it is. Okay, so we are covering here in today's video that business rules and the as is process. Okay, so what do you mean by business rules? We have to think about it, and sometime you will going to face this in the interview question, but you have to aware about this concept if you are going to work on RPA projects. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn what do you mean by the business rules. So now we need to go through the various rules that may be in the place when it comes to your processes. So these are the moment when a decision needs to be made. Okay, or something happens which triggers off the path to go down. So these rules are often if, means if and when. Okay, if then, if or. Okay, if when. These rules are often if and when and or such statements. Okay, for example, when running the payroll system, if the colleagues is in pay group B, pay list template 4 will be used. Okay, so in this full series, if you are not aware, then I must want to tell you that we are discussing the HR payroll system in this whole series as example. Okay, so for example, when setting up a new joiner's IT profile, if the new joiner is grade 4 or higher or works in an IT role, they will need to be issued with the company phone. These are the some rules that are triggered by the process and trigger off other processes or the parts of the processes as well. So rules like this are often really easy to build into an automated system by giving the automation a set of rules by which they can operate. Okay, so you can simply watch the process play out, and as the automation makes decisions based on the preset rules or something. Okay, for example, if you can see, I have prepared one a chart that BR number, requirement, and additional information. So when sending invoices out to our third party partner, any amount over dollar 1000 must be signed off in the finance system first. If we, this is the requirement. Okay, then additional information should be, we anticipated around 20% of the invoices will meet this threshold and will therefore need signing off. Okay, this is the trigger, the requirement and the trigger. Then we are going to set a rule with attached to this trigger. Okay, this is the example which I have given for you for understanding purpose. Okay, fine. So the next one is the as is process, what exactly the importance and the what exactly it is mean to be in the process definition document, that PDD document. So let's see, what do you mean by this? So building on the process conversation had earlier on in the PDD, we now need to highlight the as is process in graphical form. This is where your earlier efforts to be mapped out, your processes will come in handy. Okay, so developers are going to want to see the process in the action, the actual action. Okay, this will include all activities, hands off, involved individuals and departments, etc. Okay, so you can use the process map earlier and include the additional commentary around issues and time constraint also. So we have already discussed how we can map the processes and all in the previous videos. You can go through with that and clear your concepts, but still you face any concern or doubt, just put it in the comment box. I would like to help you out, sure. Okay, so this could help the developers understand where automation wins will be had. Okay, you will also add some commentary here about the process to give the developers additional insights as well. So this will include whatever you want to add: discussion of the pain points, time killers, the nonsense to look out for, etc. things. Okay, you can put it in that, where you can go ahead and see what exactly it is and how you can avoid it, how you can keep aside it and everything. Okay, so so this is all about the business rules and the as is process concepts. Okay, these are related to that process definition document. If you want any depth knowledge or something, you can purchase my course, which where we have discussed almost all the things sections of the PDD, and we get the creation of the PDD document as professional level. Okay, practically. Okay, you can go ahead and purchase my that PDD course or something. Okay, yeah. So we have discussed all those things related to business rules and as is process in this video. If you are having any concern doubt, just put it in the comment box. Let me know as well, and just be with me. And if you think this is really important videos and the series, then please share with your friends, colleagues who are preparing for this kind of interviews related to RPA project management. Okay, and just subscribe my channel. Thank you.